Understanding, put it in the cards. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase, put it in the cards. This expression might sound a bit mysterious at first, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. Stay tuned to uncover its meaning and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, put it in the cards, is not a common English idiom and might actually be a mix-up with more familiar expressions like, it's in the cards, or, put it on the table. So, first, let's clarify what these expressions mean, as understanding them will help in grasping any similar phrases you might encounter. It's in the cards is an idiom meaning that something is very likely to happen or is destined to occur. It originates from the idea of tarot cards or card games where the outcome is determined by the cards one is dealt, symbolizing fate or destiny. Put it on the table means to present something for discussion openly and honestly, without hiding any details. It's about being transparent, especially in negotiations or discussions. Understanding these idioms helps in navigating similar expressions or when you encounter, put it in the cards, in conversations or readings. It could mean preparing for something that is likely to happen or laying out a plan or expectation openly, depending on the context. To better understand, let's look at some examples where such expressions might be used. 1. Future events. Considering the current trends, it's in the cards that remote work will become even more prevalent. Here, it means that it's likely or destined to happen. 2. Open discussion. Let's put it on the table and discuss the terms of the agreement without holding back. This example shows the importance of being transparent and open. When you hear, put it in the cards, think about whether the speaker is talking about the likelihood of future events or about being open and preparing for what's to come. Using phrases like these in your English conversations can add depth and nuance. Here are some tips. Understand the context. Before using any idiomatic expression, make sure it fits the situation. Context is key to effective communication. Practice with examples. Try creating your own sentences or scenarios where these expressions would be appropriate. Practice makes perfect. We hope this exploration of put it in the cards and related expressions has been enlightening. Remember, idioms and phrases add color and richness to your language. Don't be afraid to use them once you understand their meanings and contexts. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.